In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward entire conversation. Email chains in Outlook. We'll cover the new Outlook and Outlook on the web first. Then the classic Outlook experience so you can quickly grab an entire thread and send it along in a clean, organized way. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by turning on Conversation View so the thread is grouped together. Go to the View tab in the ribbon. Check the Conversations box. Then open the Messages list options and choose Group Message by Conversation. With that on, your inbox will show each conversation as a single collapsible item. Click the small arrow next to a conversation title to expand it. This lets you see the individual messages and decide whether you want specific messages or the entire thread. Next, write. Click any email inside that thread and choose Find Related. Then Messages in this conversation. This filters your view to only the messages that belong to that conversation. Press Ctrl+A to select all the messages in the results. Write. Click the selected set and choose Forward, or press Ctrl+F. Outlook will open a new email window with each message in the conversation added as a separate attachment. This method preserves the original formatting, sender details, timestamps, and any inline content, which is ideal when you need a complete reliable record of the chain. If you only needed a subset, you could have expanded the conversation and selected just those items before forwarding. But the process of forwarding works the same way. Now, if you are in classic Outlook, the steps are similar, with a couple of small differences. Go to the View tab in the ribbon and check Show as Conversations. When prompted, choose whether to apply this to this folder or all mailboxes. Depending on how broadly you want the setting to apply, your messages will now be grouped by conversation. Click the small arrow next to the conversation title to expand it and review all the messages. Select the messages you want, right? Click the selection and choose Forward. Outlook will open a new email window, again with each selected message in the thread, attached separately. Forwarding conversations this way keeps long threads from getting messy or truncated. And it ensures the recipient can open each message exactly as it was originally received. It's a straightforward, dependable way to pass along full context without manually copying content. That's all you need to forward entire email chains in both the new and classic Outlook experiences. Thanks for watching.